Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unhide tweets on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy option. Now select Privacy and Safety. Then select the very first option, that is Audience and Tagging option. Disable Protect Your Post option. And this is how you can unhide tweets on Twitter. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.